Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new in today's video, I'm super excited for it. It's different. We're bringing a different style here. I do want to say a huge shout out and thank you to SamsBeauty for sponsoring today's post. So in today's video, y'all, I'm going to be installing these beautiful butterfly locks here. They are 12 inches long and they come from the brand Authentic. And you guys, the big banger here, I made this into a wig. So if you guys are interested in seeing this whole process, install, review, all that good stuff, then make sure you continue to watch today's video and let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so here are the locks here. They come just like this, and I think it's about, and I might have this incorrect, I think they have about 12 to 14, maybe 16 on them. I had quite a few packets of it. I had a total of, I think I want to say 7 or 8, and this is the cap that I bought. So it's a U-part cap that comes with a little lace base right there in the middle. So what I did was I did cut little holes in it because I knew that I didn't want to make the wig too full because it was going to make it look kind of helmet-ish and make it too big. So I cut holes in it to make it a little bit easier to use my crochet tool to push the hair through and lock it in, since these are crochet butterfly locks. So I just cut holes in it probably about 2 to 3 inches apart. And then you just put them on like you would do on your regular hair if your hair was braided or twisted underneath. This was actually a very easy process, and till this day, I did this video maybe about 2 weeks ago. The locks are hanging on very well. I wore them for about 4 to 5 days. None fell out, so trust me y'all, this is a secure method. If you want the wig cap that I used, I will put it in the description bar below so you can get you one, but you don't have to cut the holes. This was just a process I did because it made it a lot faster, and it also made it easier to work with. It was just a quicker process in this way. But I think on this cap, I used about 5 of the packets. If not 5, it was 4.5. So I did use all of them. So in total, you know, your girl probably had about 16 times 4 times 5 worth of crochet locks in the wig. And then I'll show you guys what the end process looks like once it finishes. So this is what it looks like once I got done. I did leave spaces in between because once the hair flies over and lays down, you can't even tell that it's on a wig cap. Very easy process. Alright, so now we're going to jump into the actual installation. So I wanted to test it first. I did cut the lace out because I wanted to see where I wanted my hair to sit. I made it more into a side part because I knew that's how I wanted the crochet locks to fall. And I'm just measuring it now to make sure I have enough of my hair pulled out and make sure that it's going to sit on my head well. So I did this parting method and putting rubber bands on it, and then I'm going to pull them all back into my ponytail that I already have, so that way it'll look like the hair is kind of parted with a space and you see more scalp when you have more exposure to my hair where the U-part space is. So you'll see the process of me pulling these back and putting them into my ponytail, so that way I have more space to work with. And y'all, this is just an easier way for me, for someone maybe who doesn't know how to braid like me. I don't know how to braid that well, and I wanted to do the process myself because sometimes you're going to find yourself in a situation where you don't have anybody to do your hair, but you want to try a different hairstyle out, and this process works really well. I actually was inspired by someone on TikTok, and I will feature them in my description bar below because I can't remember their name right now, and they gave me the idea, so I'll make sure I put her in my description bar so you guys can look at her video as well. But that's where I got the idea from. So it works well if you just need a quick hairstyle and you don't know how to braid or twist. I would definitely recommend this way. because it was secure, and honey, she ain't go nowhere, and I wore it comfortably for about 4 or 5 days. But then, you know, I was ready to switch up my hair, so that was the only reason why I took it out. So then I put the little wig cap on because I just like the extra security. So I'm showing you the tool that I use as well as the crochet lock. And you literally just stick it through where the rubber band is. I tried to go underneath every single rubber band piece, and you just lock that loop on there. And you just pull it on through underneath. Once that's in, you take the end piece of that crochet lock and stick it in the loop so it's nice and secure. You pull it tight, and it's literally like you just got your hair braided back and put some crochet locks in. And then I'm going to move on and do that for each piece that has a rubber band. So I used a total of about 7 locks right there at the front. And you guys, y'all seen my head bobbing because I had my music in my ear and my mama was talking to me. So you'll see me doing some extra stuff here, but this was like the easiest process, and I loved how it came out. These locks are really, really pretty. I think I got them in the color 1B or 2. But I'll have it in my description bar below. But they were really easy to work with. They were so secure. I love how they looked. They were made really nice. They're very tight once you take them off the loop initially, like out of the packet. But you just have to twist it counterclockwise to make it loose. And then pull it from like the root just to get it that little loop piece that you need. There are plenty of instructional videos out there for you guys to look at if you ever have trouble with getting the crochet lock off of the string it comes with in the packet. But you guys, I would definitely highly recommend you trying out these crochet locks because they just give you like such a cute look, like a cute, is it bohemian style? I think that's the word I'm going for, but I just really love how it came out. So once I was finished, I put the wig on, and I still left that little piece right there in the front because I wanted to make sure it's set exactly where I needed to. And y'all, this came out bomb, so perfect. At first I thought I was gonna leave that little strip there, but once I cut it, the wig was actually pretty secure. But you know, I just wanted to make sure that it wasn't gonna go anywhere at all, so I did end up cutting it off. And then I used some bobby pins right there in the front just to make it blend in and just feel more comfortable, just feel like it really wasn't pushing. So once you sit your crochet locks exactly where you want them to go, you can even push the wig back. It works out perfect. It looks like I literally just got my hair done and got some crochet locks put in my hair. So yeah, if you guys are interested in these, make sure you check out my description bar below. I'll have the links there for you. If you try out this method, let me know as well, because I would love to see how you guys bomb out this look, because I know some other people out there could probably like really slay this look. This was a first time try for me, so I think it came out pretty well. So I just want to say thank you again to SamsBeauty for providing these crochet locks for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching.